It is super smoky. It will probably take a few days for the smoke to be gone. No?
Yeah, at least. Contain it all. So.
Which one is that?
Pueblo. It's called
the Pueblo.
Aspen something fire.
Is it getting bigger?
Yeah, it's like 84,000 acres right
84,000? That's a lot. Well, they saved the, what was that castle?
now. I don't know if they saved it or not.
That castle?
Yeah. I know they're evacuating that in Florence, that super max security prison. They're ready to evacuate it and a number
really?
of nursing homes.
Yeah, at Canyon City?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Talon, do you want to go hiking again? To your hiking spot? Be? No people in there. They're not
Too hot.
too hot for them. Probably later.
Save a ton of money.
Put at
Maybe
least
get something special and they're not.
build at least 3 homes in there that has
I think it's like 5
or
lots.
or if you wanted an apartment so you don't have to maintain the yard.
Right. Five small homes would be perfect.
5?
Yeah, that's 5 lots, 5 homes.
Was it 5 lots? I thought it's the same size as the other side.
I just had 5 lots available, so they were all stacked up in there.
Ito yung wait. Ito yung downtown. Punta kami. Punta kami uptown. And dito sa downtown yung mga eskwelahan nila. Busy road. I thought some of these people are going home already.
They're here for the summer.
The summer,
going the whole time.
I would not like this, especially with the smoke.
I know, right?
I would
Maybe
go.
up higher it's probably not so bad. It settles down to these lower areas.
I would go. It's probably nice during morning. Oops. Busy na jud. Busy. Why do you need my hotspot?
For stuff.
Hold on for a while. Huh? What? Golf course.
29.
Laki din tong golf course nila. Ay sa kabila pa. Their water is dirty.
So they use for watering the golf course.
Right?
A lot of algae on it. It's so warm this year.
I remember Talon showered that when they sprinkled their grass before. When we were building closer to the golf course at Mid-Iron. Talon was happy. Club when is busy. Is it on na?